This conference will now be recorded.
Hey, good morning, everybody. This video is going to show you how to create a Facebook offer for open houses in your area through KvCore. So this is specific to people that are using KvCore with eXp Realty. KvCore is also known as conversion. So I am going to show you how to use your website to create an offer on Facebook to get leads. So the first thing that you want to do is go to your KvCore website. Mine is called allhomesforsaleInSiouxFalls.com. Then what you're going to want to do is click on More Options. And here we're going to create our search. Now for me, when I'm doing these open house Facebook offers, I want to feature or focus on my entire MLS area. Now, if you want to narrow it down to just a specific area in your market, then what you're going to want to do is get specific with the city or zip code or even county that you want to focus on mainly. For me, again, I'm in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. We're not a huge town by any means. So I'm going to just focus on my entire MLS. So I'm going to leave the location blank. Then what you're going to want to do is click on options here. And then all you need to do is click on open houses and then click the search button. Now for me, my search results, you can see that there are 183 open houses scheduled in my MLS for this weekend. So this is what I'm going to go off of. It's 183 searches. And you can see your searches here. So then the next step is going to be copying the URL here. So highlight the entire URL and click copy. Then we want to make that URL shorter just because it's kind of ugly and we don't want an ugly URL in our Facebook post. So how I shorten the URL is I go to bit.ly.com, and this is a free website to shorten your URLs. So then what I'm going to do here is paste the URL right here in this box, and then I'm going to click shorten. Then I'm going to click copy. So now the URL has been shortened and I've got it copied. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Facebook business page and I'm going to just copy that URL or paste that URL here. So now it's just fetching the preview. And now we have a list that you can scroll through for all the open houses in my area. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up with a clever piece of content because I want people to obviously open or click on this post so that they can get the list that I'm trying to give them in hopes for them to sign up so then I can obviously receive any and all leads through our KvCore website. So what I'm going to do is add an emoji. Emojis, I really like adding them. I think they're attention grabbers, and I think people are more often than not going to click on a post that has emojis and looks fun. Then what I'm going to say is get your free list of open houses happening this weekend in and around the Sioux Falls area. Then I'm going to do another emoji and say, click on the link to get your free list now. Okay. Then all I'm going to do is click share now. And it's uploading. And here is what your Facebook post will look like from using your KvCore website. So now all they would have to do is either click on the link or they could even click on the pictures. So I'm going to just click on the picture and notice here is my entire list, again, of those 183 homes that are hosting open houses this weekend. So then what I wanted to tell you is what I do is I share this post onto my personal Facebook profile page, and then I share it to my husband's Facebook profile. I might share it a couple times to some friends' Facebook profile. But also what I do is I have joined several buy, sell, garage sale type groups on Facebook. And then what I'll do is I'll share this post to 10 Facebook groups per day through the weekend. And I have found that as long as you stay under that 10 groups per day, and you're not posting to any more than 10 a day, you won't go to Facebook jail. And if you go to Facebook jail, you'll be locked out of being able to share any of your posts to any groups for like 10 to 14 days. So just stick with that minimum of 10 or less. But I really encourage you to use Facebook groups, these buy-sell groups, because it's a great way to get leads. And then these leads will go right into your KvCore website. And make sure that you have your KvCore website set up so when a buyer lead comes in, they're automatically started on a buyer lead campaign. And if you have any questions on anything, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. My name is, again, Reagan Laughlin, and I'm with eXp Realty and RL Real Estate Group in Sioux Falls. You can always Facebook message me, or you can shoot me an email at reagan@rlrealestategroup.com. I hope you found this video helpful, and have a great day. Thanks.